Hey Mia, can you make her laugh? What'd you do, Micah? Keep going. She was almost laughing. Keep going. See how funny she thinks you are? Aw, that's nice. You gonna keep making her laugh?
No. Ow.
You hurt your head?
It hurt me.
I'm so sorry. That's why you need to be careful, okay?
It's bleeding.
It's not bleeding. I don't see any bleeding.
Just kissing. Kiss it.
Can I blow a kiss at it? Mwah. Okay. Can you make Micah laugh some more? Well, it's over dramatic. Micah, where's Mia? Hey, I think she likes you playing more than hugging. Aw, you're very sweet, Mia. You think so? Make it talk to her. Maybe she'll like that.
Hello, Micah. Hello, Micah.
Oh, maybe she's all done.
Stay. Doing good.
Hi, Maggie. Hello, Micah.
Then I need to do it.
Can you try one more time, please?
I'm tired.
Okay.